Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a green screen video. So if you want to create your green screen video, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to shoot a video with the green screen. So once you will do it, after that you have to open a new project on the CapCut. So once you will do it, let's suppose video is here. Now you have to click on the overlay from here. You have to add a new layer from here. Once you will do it, now you can simply select any background or the video from here and click on the add. So once you will do it, here you will see I have added a new layer from here. So now select this clip and swipe to the left here, and you have to search for the chroma key. And once you will do it, now you have to click on the color pick and pick a color from here. And here you will see intensity. You have to click on it and make it high, around 66, or when your green background will remove. Now click on the stick button, and once you will do it, your video is here. Now play it. As you can see, green screen is removed. You can use any background or anything. So as you will see, helicopter is added with no background and it's working. Now you can simply export this video from the right top and upload it anywhere according to your choice. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.